Hey guys, it's Anissa and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this sleek back side part look. I think it's really cute and it's really easy to do, so if you like this look, just keep on watching and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you. Okay, so this is my first day hair. I just washed my hair last night and woke up all like this. So I just parted it in the middle last night, but today I woke up and decided I want to do a side part with the sleek baby hair, so that's what I'm going to do. So since my hair is in the middle part right now, I have to change it to a side part. So I'm going to take one of my combs and just part it. So I like doing it on my left side. I like doing parts on my left side. I don't know, I feel like it just looks better on me. I feel more comfortable. If I did my right side, this was kind of like awkward and off, you know? So I'm going to do it on my left. So I always look at my baby hairs and part it like right where my baby hairs start, and I like to do it at like an angle like this, like going to the side, not just straight back. Kind of like that. And you can make it go as far back as you want. I know some people have different preferences on how far they like their parts to go, so that's how I like mine, usually that far. So yeah, that's how deep I want my part to go. And after I get my part, I'm just going to try and like fix my hair to go over on this side. Since it was in the middle part, it's not trained to go to the side because it dried the other way. So I'm going to see how it looks. If it looks all right, then I won't get it wet or anything. And if it like is giving me trouble, then I'll just get it wet and like readjust it. So yeah, it looks pretty fine right now. I'll see after I do my baby hairs how it's looking. Next, I'm gonna get my edge control, and it's pretty good. I've been using it for like a month. It's pretty good. I like it. It looks like this. See, I barely put a dent in it. So I get some of this on my toothbrush. So I just dip it in, and I won't get a lot. It doesn't take that much. First, I'll define the part more, brushing hair on both sides. Alright, then I'll get a little more. So I like to start with the front and I'll swoop it down a little bit. Doing like a swoop type motion. Like a swoop. And see how like kind of separates? I don't like that, so I'll keep brushing over it to make sure it's all like one piece. And I'll swoop it back. Sorry, my face gets really red from just like touching it a lot. I don't know, my skin is kind of sensitive. And I'll make sure there's no waves in it, make sure everything's like nice and sleek and straight. I'm trying to make it look like it's like going behind my ear perfectly. So keep brushing, and then I actually will tuck it behind my ear. And sometimes I like to leave a curl out in the front just to make it look a little cuter. So like this. Or you can just still tuck the curl behind and just make it all pushed behind your ear. I kind of like the one curl out look. So I'll leave one curl out, and I'll brush it down a little more just to make sure that's all nice and sleek and perfect how I want it. And I'll hold the curl just so I don't mess up the curl pattern. I'll just sleek this down a little bit so it's not messy. Next, you're gonna need to grab some bobby pins, as many as you can find. I know I just found some in like 5 different spots. So you're gonna grab the hair you slicked back and just like pull it back farther so it's like tighter, and so your hair won't get wavy throughout the day or anything. So I'll leave this curl out, push the rest behind the hair that's behind my ear, I'll pull it tight, and I'll bobby pin it behind my ear as I'm pulling it. And you can put as many bobby pins as you want. The more you put, the tighter it's gonna be, so I usually put a lot. And I don't put them all in the same spot. I like to move back as I go. just so it feels more secure and more comfortable. Alright, so I have my bobby pins in and it feels really secure right now, like it's not going anywhere. And doing that can mess up some of the baby hairs that you slick down. So you can get your toothbrush and fix anything that's been messed up. So as you see, there's like a little bit of separation. I don't like that at all. So I'll fix it. Alright, and then you just fluff your hair up, get it to look how you want. And there you go. This look is really easy and I do it a lot because it doesn't take much to do. And you can switch it up. You can do all the little wavy baby hair designs and all that. Yeah, I really like it. I think it's really cute. So yeah, I like it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.